Hello, welcome back to CapSim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips. This video gives the details, guide and tip for CapSim round 4 to get the top result. I show you now. So we are doing round 4 now, right? You had very good sale and profit in the last 3 rounds, so we developed 3 new products here in low-end, traditional and performance. You can check the other videos for the details of round 1, 2 and 3, or you can send the email to get if you cannot find the video, send the email and I can send you the links, right? So now we do round 4, but remember the top 10 winning tips for each. So for each round we apply the top 10 winning tips here and can win the top result for all rounds, right? So first check the industry condition report and use the Rehearsal file to calculate IND for each report and update IND. I show you now. So remember that we have industry condition report here for each game. So you need to check this. Do not copy the number from the screen and paste your game. You need to check the industry condition report before you start setting decision, right? So make sure you have the right table here for IND of 8 rounds. And if you want to do that faster, you can use a Rehearsal file like you see on the screen to calculate IND for 8 rounds, because you cannot use table 2 here. We need to combine table 2 with table 3 here to move the product to the idea spot. So calculate this number using this update. So or you can download the Excel file like this to calculate IND for 8 rounds, right? So for round 4 it's easy. We just keep update the product like you do on the screen, right? You see that for the traditional low end it's okay, and now we update for the performance, right? Performance. And remember, do not just paste the number into your game. We need to check that with the industry condition report I just show you, right? Yeah, so you see that we have developed 3 products here, and then we will double the sale and double the profit, double the sale and double the profit in the segment. And now we set decision for the marketing, right? For marketing here, top 10 winning tips here. The industry condition report is okay now. Excel file okay. Update INT. We have developed 3 new products in round 1, 2 and 3. You check the other video to see the details, right? You can find the links here or send the email to mbasim.farid. If you cannot find it, you can Google around in YouTube to find that, right? And or you can send the email here. I can send you the link for that, right? Add new product in round 1, 2, 3 and set prices now for marketing and calculate the sale forecast I show you in the market. So simply you can reduce the price by 50 cents. I show you also the reason to do that, right? You need to check the price of competitors, also check the price of best selling product. But basically we can reduce the price 50 cents each round to maintain the competitiveness, right? We can use 2000 now, right? The max we can use, because of 4 we can go up very fast, right? You see the result. And now I show you the details of each segment. You can see that the pricing very important, right? The traditional account for nearly 30%. That's one of the second biggest segment, right? And you see the price here 28.5, higher than the other competitor, but still very competitive. We had the top sales here, right? Market share 14%. And for the low end account for nearly 40%. That's the most important segment, right? You see we have the 23% of the market share here and the price 19.15. So don't set the lowest price, don't start price over. No company benefit from that, very low profit. So set the high price, okay, but the most effective price, most optimal price for the high end is okay, right? We get high end, not so big segment, 12% only, but we said here that we need to increase that high end. We don't focus on that. And for the performance, we have top selling product here, 27% of market share, and the price even higher than competitors, right? And for the size segments here, right? So reduce the price by 50 cents is okay. And now we check the customer awareness to again check the customer awareness. So we have traditional here 100% of customer awareness, and for acre also 100%, and for item not yet, right? And for after not yet. So we go here, we set this one 1400 because richer 100%, right? So you see that you can use very strong promotion and sales because round 4 is a turnaround, we can go up very fast here, right? You see round 4 we go up very fast, so very strong promotion and sales. And now we check the production, and then we calculate the sales forecast here. You see the unit we sold here, inventories here. We use these two columns to calculate the sales forecast, right? So now we input the sales forecast here into the game. So again I say do not copy the number and paste that. You need to use the number from your game, because the round student game different from student to student, right? So I show you the strategy now. You know how to do it. You can go through that, and then you can apply with your game adjust and use the number from your game report to calculate, right? Now you get 3 new products. They can double the sale and double the profit. You can check that right now, right? So new product very important in this game. We developed 3 new products, and now we set production decision for production. I show you the tip now. So for the production, we calculate the production schedule, we add new capacity, we increase automation, and then we can win with top sale and top profit. I show you now. So for production schedule, we input the number here. We have the sales forecast here, inventories here. We use the sales forecast, deduct inventory, we get the production schedule here, right? It's very important. We need to double check to make sure we input the number correctly, right, after we calculate it, right? So now we set decision for production. We check if we have enough capacity or not. So some we don't have enough capacity. We have the budget here, so we need to buy the budget. But before that, we increase automation first. From round 4, we can increase automation. For traditional, we go to 8, low end 10. The other we go to 2, 4 for that. And now some we don't have enough capacity, we buy more capacity, right? Buy more capacity for the needed product, right? And here we buy, here we need to buy more, right? Okay, we check if you have enough budget here. We have the limit budget of 71 million here, right? So that's too much here, wrong input, right? So we need to input carefully, right? Still not enough budget, 10 million excess, so 300, right? And 200. See if we have enough. Yes, so we have enough now, right? So it's okay. And now we adjust it to match the production capacity, right? 2,400, and then we have here 2,200. Here we have 1,200. Here we have 600, right? So that's good. So production is always important, right? So we check that carefully, right? We buy new capacity, we increase automation, right, and adjust here, right? So that's good. And now we set decision for the HR. For HR, from here we use a max recruitment and training, right? And then for finance, we use all the 3 sources of funds. Next time we can start retire the stock and pay dividend, but not this round, right? This round still expansion the production, right? So we use the 3 sources of funds to get enough funds to avoid. We keep the SIP amount here. We can avoid emergency loans, and then now we can increase to 46 days of account receivable to sell better, right? Better sell payment term. So we keep the more than needed, right? Save amount of cash to operate, avoid emergency loans, and then now we can input the TQM. Basically, we can input around 1,000. It's okay for 4 rounds to get the total 4,000, right? So you can adjust around 1,000 if you like. And you can see the performer income. We get very high sale here, and contribution margin and profit. If we compare with last round, we get very high sales here, increase 100, and contribution margin and profit. And you see the details on the existing 5 products bring profit here: traditional, low end, performance size, and high end performance and size. So traditional and low end, you see very high profit, and also new low end here and new traditional. The new performance we create generates the profit from next round. So you see the top 10 winning tips here. We can apply top 10 winning tips for all the rounds, right? And this is round 4. You can see that round 4 we can bring very good sale and profit. You can check the detail of round 4 right now. So you can see the result of round 4 here. We had very high sales and very high sales, you can see, and also stop price going up to the top, right? It will go up very faster. After 8 rounds, the result will be like this. You see, after 8 rounds, when we have the right strategy, we will get the top sale and top profit going up like this. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Round 4 we start going up, and here we get 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The stop price going very, very faster after round 4. From round 4 to 8, we lead the game. So remember the understand I show you the strategy, and then you can understand the decision and the meaning after any decision using the data. So each round winning the game is very important, but understanding the game is also equally important. You need to understand what decision to make. I have shown you, right? And what part of the report to read, which part of the report more important than the other. You win 15%. You need to understand how to update the product I just showed you, right? What is the long-term strategy? We developed 3 new products. How to set prices, comparing the price of competitors, right? And how to calculate the sales forecast and sell the inventories. You win 80%. And also I show you how to set decision for production, increase the capacity, increase automation. How to set decision for HR, finance, and TQM. Now you win 99%. If you need the support for 8 rounds, so you can view and learn with the top result. And also if you require the decision for each round, understanding and explanation, you can send the email to, or you get the WhatsApp to support 24/7. You can send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com. Thank you. Check the other video for the update to winning guarantee. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.